Want to know how to check if a character is a vowel or a consonant in Java? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up any compiler that you want. And once I've done that, here you can see this code right here. We first convert it into lowercase. So we have converted this character A into lowercase first up. And then we use the if-else statement. So we check if it exists inside the string. So we need to check if it's a vowel or consonant. So if it is, then it's a vowel. So if it's not, then it's consonant. This is a neat way to use index of method for checking characters quickly. So you can also see the index of has been printed out right here, and we have used this method. So it's really easy and really recommended for checking characters. So this logic is great for beginners for learning string and character manipulation in Java. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.